Hi, welcome to this InView, which is going to be about AXA's global digital innovation initiatives. This is brought to you as part of the Digital Insurer's Digital Insurance in Action series, and that's kindly sponsored by KPMG. So this month we have been focusing on insurance innovation in large insurance companies, a little bit of a focus on Asia. This is the last one. It's going to be on AXA. We're going to sort of do this one a little bit differently. It's slightly more global in nature, but it does also cover Asia as well. So starting off again with the usual quote, this one is from Veronique Veil, the COO of AXA Group. You can see here, I won't read it all out, but she's saying digital is transforming our job as an insurer, and we're convinced that it is a tremendous opportunity to do our job better. So let's have a look at how AXA is planning to take advantage of these digital opportunities. So just as background, I think you all know AXA is one of the world's leading insurers. It's based in France, has more than 100 million customers, and has a presence in many countries around the world. And we'll see that the strategy that AXA has is multi-country in nature. It does have a little bit more, from what I can see, of a bias towards the Internet of Things and devices and sensors. And let's see, first of all, how they're doing that in France, in their home country. So you look here, you can see that actually they've got effectively the three key initiatives. Unfortunately, the slide headers don't seem to have come off in this PowerPoint, but you see on the left, you've got the connected car. The bottom, you've got your connected home, and on the right-hand side, there's a connected health initiative there. So I quite like this AXA Drive coach. So this is another example where insurers on the non-life side are realizing that apps that report back on driving behavior are very customer-centric, customer-friendly. They're easy for people to adopt, and they're good for marketing, and they're good at getting to that underlying risk reduction, which is a common characteristic of all these sort of telematics-based devices. And there you see the AXA Drive Coach in particular has already been integrated into the Apple Watch as well. So they've sort of been quite quick on the uptake there and able to demonstrate some innovation with a new telematics or new sort of front-end mobile device. Elsewhere in Europe and the US, they are showing innovation. So they're car partnership, where they've got insurance, which is on a ride-sharing basis, so moving towards that sort of pay-as-you-go insurance model. And then there has been, over the last sort of 12 to 18 months, AXA, I think it was about 18 months ago, AXA announced a partnership with Facebook. This partnership is not based around a sort of bank assurance type partnership or an affinity partnership to sell insurance directly, but I think it is definitely helping to inform AXA's social media strategy and also sort of giving them access to the Silicon Valley and being able to sort of go and visit Facebook and see how a truly digital organization is structuring itself. And I guess they're hoping that elements of that DNA will rub off in terms of the way that they do business. In Asia itself, they have a number of initiatives. So they've announced an AXA lab in Shanghai, which will complement the one that they have already created in Silicon Valley. Here in Singapore, they've announced a sort of a big data or data innovation lab. And again, that will be modeled on one that they already have in France. And also, if you look at the middle panel there, they've announced this year that they are going to set up a strategic venture fund. So this is an example of where insurers are investing in new insurance models indirectly through these venture funds. And that venture fund is based up in Hong Kong, and it's starting with a seed capital of $200 million. So as you can see, AXA's got a fairly diverse strategy to digital innovation, clearly not putting all their eggs in one basket, but looking to connect and transfer knowledge around the world. So that's it for today's InView from the Digital Insurance in Action series. Hope you've enjoyed it. There are more on the site, so go and have a look at the other ones there. We also do webinars And of course, we're able to deliver free content to you because we are supported by our sponsors. If you'd like to become a sponsor, do get in touch. If you've got any other inquiries, just contact me directly. Okay, thanks a lot.